Hi, and welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you already subscribed to this channel. So, today we are going to talk about Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, or Amazon KDP. So, for those who don't know what is Amazon KDP, so Amazon KDP is basically a service provided by Amazon. Obviously, by a name, by Amazon KDP is provided by Amazon. Duh. Well, KDP helps you to publish your book without any publisher in between. Uh, the uh, the only thing you need to publish your book is your content for Amazon KDP. So how Amazon KDP works? You take your content, you upload it on Amazon KDP portal, and if you want to, you can go for totally online route where the only online copy will be available for your book. You can choose that on payment basis, obviously, or you can provide your book for free. That's on you. Or you can choose from paperback or hard copy. And for that, Amazon will ask you which quality of paper you want to use, how you want your book to look, and there is a certain cut which Amazon takes while printing paperback and a hard copy for your book, and different market have different rates, so there is that. Well, my experience with Amazon KDP was that I actually wrote two books. I was working on cloud computing and Java. So I wrote two books and I published two books just for sake of trying Amazon KDP, not for actually making money from it, but just for trying, because I was writing notes on my iPad and I thought that I have this content, where should I use it? Like, I have written this much of content, I need to leverage this. So I tried to leverage that content and tweak that content and upload it on Amazon uh, with in two different books. And I was never into like a hard copy or paperback. I was always like, let's go for online route, and I chose to publish my book solely for online purposes, where you can download a PDF of my book for certain amount of money, and you can have it. So the revenue from Amazon which I get is close to, in rupees, is around 400 without doing anything, without only just by uploading my books, and I don't look into it. I don't do any SEOs for it. I don't check on it. I don't do anything. It's just that I have published it and it's out in the world for people to see or buy it, and I just get 400 rupees, I think, per month from Amazon, which is in dollar. If I convert it into a dollar, it will be close to uh, $5 to $7, between $5 to $7. So you can make, if you are not doing anything, just if you are publishing your book, that's it. Well, not checking into it, not tweaking for SEO, nothing. If you are just, if you have written something and you published it, you can get around 5 to 700 rupees in Indian currency, and $5 to $7 in USD. Should you choose to do it, if you are into like writing and publishing, that's a great option, because this Amazon KDP takes all the burdens which comes with publishing and everything off your shoulder, because all you have to do is write a good piece of content, a good book, and just upload it on Amazon, and you can choose in which format you want, like in online format, in PDF online format, or paperback, or hard copy. And again, you don't have to search for an audience, because Amazon marketplace is a huge marketplace. There is audience for everyone and every content and everything. So you don't have to think about your audience, because if you are writing a book for a certain genre, for a certain people, and if you think people will be willing to read your book, so there are people who are searching for your book on Amazon. So there's that. If you want to get into it seriously, like if you want to do it as a job, as your way of living, I will suggest to try it. I won't say that you should go full you should put all your full energy into it, and you should think that this is the only option. You should at least try it, give it a go for one time, because I don't think there is anything to lose in Amazon KDP, because don't take any money to publish your book. They take, I think, royalties or a certain cut if your book make any kind of sale, and you will be you will be provided by that information while uploading your book. So there's that. If you want to try Amazon KDP, I will say, yeah, go ahead. And if you want to check out my book on Amazon KDP, I will provide a link for those in the description. And if you want to help me in this YouTube journey, YouTube thing, then like, comment, engage with this video, and subscribe.